Banana bread cookies. They're like little flavor explosions that taste like home but fit right in your pocket. Perfect for sneaking a sweet treat into a movie, don't judge, we've all been there, or sharing with coworkers. Bribery is a valid workplace strategy, just saying. Now, this recipe is about as easy as, well, peeling a banana. Okay, maybe a little trickier than that, but not by much. Head over to kelvinskitchen.com for the full written recipe, but for now, let's bake. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grab some parchment paper. We want these cookies to bake up beautifully, not stick like yesterday's gym clothes. Alright, while the oven gets nice and toasty, get ready to get your mash on. We need 2 nice ripe bananas. The browner the better, trust me. They'll add tons of sweetness and that amazing banana flavor we all know and love. Fun fact, did you know that the black spots on a banana are actually signs of more antioxidants? So basically these cookies are good for you. Shh, don't tell your doctor. Once your bananas are mashed into a smooth, gloopy mess, don't worry, it's a good thing. Set them aside for a sec. In another mixing bowl, you're gonna cream together some softened butter, sugar, and brown sugar. Creaming just means mixing it all up with an electric mixer or a good old whisk until it's light and fluffy. Think of it as bulking up your batter muscles. Now toss in those mashed bananas along with an egg and some vanilla extract. Beat that all together until it's smooth and looking good. This is gonna be the base of your flavor town, folks. In a separate bowl, we're gonna gather our dry ingredients: flour, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon because banana bread and cinnamon are BFFs, and a pinch of salt. Give that a good whisk so everything gets acquainted. Next, slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. You wanna mix it just until everything is incorporated, don't go overboard. Overmixing can lead to tough cookies and nobody wants that. Now comes the fun part, add-ins. We've got some rolled oats for a bit of chewy texture and some chopped walnuts or chocolate chips for a little something something. Pick your poison, or heck, throw both in there. We're not judging here at Kelvin's Kitchen. Finally, grab a spoon and plop heaping tablespoons of dough onto your baking sheet. Leave some space between those cookies, they're gonna spread a little. Right before we bake these flavor bombs, here's a little Kelvin's Kitchen secret for the chocoholics out there. Feel free to sprinkle extra chocolate chips right on top of the dough balls before they go in the oven. Extra melty chocolate goodness in every bite? Yes, please. Just be sure not to overdo it or your cookies might turn into a chocolatey disaster zone. Nobody wants that. Bake those babies for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are golden brown and delicious looking. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Then, my friend, it's time to devour. These banana bread cookies are the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth and get a taste of home, all in a convenient portable package. So next time you're craving something delicious, whip up a batch of these and see for yourself why they're a Kelvin's Kitchen favorite. Okay, bye.